Hi, I'm Jackie with WTI, and if you're looking for a really good curling wand that is safe and easy to use because it has a clip that helps you so much with creating the perfect beach waves, the LANDOT rose gold ceramic 1¼ inch barrel wand I got recently, and I have been loving it. It takes a few times to get used to it because the barrel swivels, but this is a great feature. So as you can see, like as I'm using it, the swiveling barrel helps me to wind my long hair onto the barrel so that I can get the perfect beach waves. It helps so much, and it helps with several different methods of making curls. So I love that feature about it. It also heats up really quickly. That's also really nice. It's got a digital screen so you can see as the temperature is rising. You can set it to the exact temperature for your hair type and the style you're going for. It just is a really nice, it also looks nice. It's like sleek. I love the rose gold look of it. It came with these two hair clips and glove so that I use the glove with this because it helps keep my hand from getting burned. And I always have to section off my hair because I have so much hair. So these little hair clips, which are professional style, by the way, and they work so well for holding your hair back in sections while you are styling it. So I just absolutely love this. I'm so happy that with the LANDOT rose gold ceramic barrel curling wand, and that's my point of view.